Salamat mga gastanan. It is a great pleasure nga kita diri sa bungaga, no? So, si Congresswoman Alvarez, of course, nag-abi-abi sa aton kag nag-appreciate sa aton nga race sa bungaga. Then of course, si Mayor, Vice Mayor Migsayko, and of course, member sa Sangguniang Panglungsod, SNAP President, my good friend Jude, and members, and of course, I would like to acknowledge and give thanks to the owner of this racetrack, no other than Mr. Felix Peria, sir. Thank you for the lot in the racetrack that you provided with us, to the participating teams, 190 plus competitors in different categories, guests, marshals, ladies and gentlemen, we're delighted to have you here today. On behalf of Southern Negros Association, Mountain Bikers, I would like to extend a sincere welcome to all of you for joining us today in this momentous event. In addition, I greatly appreciate the courage of each participating individual who came from different cities and municipalities despite of the heavy rain yesterday. But we cannot deny the fact na tayong mga bikers ay walang inuurungan na laban. Di ba? Bakit? Sapagkat wala tayong inuurungan na laban, sapagkat tayo ay may 6 na M at 1 D. Ano ba ito? Tayo ay malakas, matapang, matulungin, masipag, mapagmahal, at higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos. Wala nang malakpakan dyan. Malakpak mo na, be. Okay. To all participants, your participation in today's event means so much to us. I hope today's event will be an exciting and successful to all of us. Thank you very much. Good day and God bless. Let's rock and roll!